If you like eating, go to Istanbul. If you like history, go to Rome. If you like mystery, go to Edinburgh. If you like royalty, go to Madrid. If you like chaos, go to London. If you like sweets, go to Brussels. If you like color, go to Barcelona. If you like peace, go to Couture. If you like fashion, go to Milan. If you like fairy tales, go to Prague. If you like the future, go to Singapore. If you like scooters, go to Hanoi. If you like art, go to Melbourne. If you like beauty, go to Budapest. If you like magic, go to Marrakesh. If you like calm, go to Tallinn. If you're in love, go to Paris. If you want nature, go to Iceland. And remember the words of St. Augustine. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page.